Matt with Sovereign Excavation and Construction Solutions, and we're down at our Tower Grove dig. We've been working all through the rain. You can see how wet it is down in there. And we got all this dug out the other night, and the concrete guys got in and started to set up their forms. It just continued to pour down rain, and it's just been unreal wet. I've been running dirt, mud. We had a huge pile, if you remember, all the way out to the fence, and it was even had the WC blocked in. And I got all that cleared out so the concrete guys can get in with their forms and have a little bit of room to work. So our part of this is done for now. We'll be back to backfill it. Everything so far is going really well. We've got all these footings. Well, the concrete guys got all the footings and everything in, and now they'll get their footings in here, and then the huge walls, and then the step down too, which will come from this footing, is going to step down and then step down again and then step down one more time. And they're going to have some huge piers to support the steel structure of the building. So it's starting to come together. It's pretty neat, and it'll be neat to see how they get in here with the crane and everything and set everything. So for now, I bid you adieu, and we're on to our next project, and we'll probably be back here in about 5 weeks to do some backfilling. This is Matt with Sovereign Excavation and Construction Solutions. Give us a call at 314-308-7161 and check us out on the web at www.sovereignexcavation.com. Thanks.